Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to use Snapchat music or how to add music to your snaps. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to do it: so open your Snapchat app and capture a photo, or you can upload a photo to your snap. And after that, tap on this music icon here, and now you can select any category to find a perfect music for your snap. Also, you can use this search box to find out the exact music you are looking for. You can play the music by tapping on this icon here. And tap on the music which you want to use, and here you will get the music. Now you can adjust the music. So I want to add the music from 20 seconds, and after that tap on OK, and now you can position the music. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to how to do it. Thank you for watching.